everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's Clean With Me. Now, I don't know about you all, but these days of quarantine have really started to take a toll on my home. If you are new around here, then you don't know much about me. My name is Sarah and I am a mommy to 5 and I am pregnant with my 6th baby. So right now, while we are social distancing and staying home, I have all 5 children at home 24/7, and that does not leave much time for me to manage our household and our chores. The kids clean up here and there, and we have daily tasks that we always do. But honestly, today I was looking around, and my house is so messy. I honestly just need like a full day to just deep clean it all. But for today's video, I am going to do a quick reset of the main floor while the kids are finishing up homeschooling, playing outside, playing downstairs, etc. I told them, I said, I don't care what you do. You just need to go play for like 40 minutes and give mommy time to get this main space cleaned up. So in today's video, I'm going to try to tackle as many rooms as I can while the kids allow me to do so and try to get this house reset as best as possible. I hope that this video is motivating to you all, and if you need some cleaning motivation, keep on watching.
You know I've been thinking about this all day. Got that tape of for 2 saved in our names. Drove 15 over to get to your place. You know I've been thinking about this all day. Open the door. What are we leaving it for? What can I do when I walk in the room and you look like that? Can't help but staring, you know it ain't fair when you look like that. My self-control goes right out the window. Teaching my plans, getting you in my hands when you look like that. Look like that. You know that perfume went right to my head. Breaking my focus, repeat what you said. Love drunk, I'm straight up, but burning hot mess. Girl, where we're going, you don't need that dress. Closing the door. Closing the floor. What can I do when I walk in the room and you look like that? Can't help but staring, you know it ain't fair when you look like that. My self-control goes right out the window. Teaching my plans, getting you in my hands when you look like that. Like look like that. Like that. Look like that. Closing the door. Closing the door. Nothing to do but be all over you.
Now I'm just going through and cleaning everything with my Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. It is my go-to cleaner. I talk about it almost every cleaning video, but I use it on all surfaces of my home, and I honestly love the way that it cleans. But after I finished cleaning up the kitchen, I really needed to wipe down this table, and as you can tell, there were some very crusty parts. This table probably gets cleaned about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times a day, and it's not always by me. I do make the kids do it as well, but last night, honestly, I was just so lazy after being outside and working outside all day that we did not really clean up after dinner last night, so this table has like double the crust on it. So that's real life for you. I told my husband, he was actually standing here talking to me while I was filming this, I am like nesting early or something. I don't know if it's like being trapped indoors or the idea of social isolation taking like longer than what we thought it was going to or what, but I want to deep clean my house. And I mean like scrub every baseboard, scrub every wall, like pull stuff out. Like I just really want a full day to do that. I told him as the kids were coming in and out, I was like, I really want you to just like take all the kids for one full day, like take them hiking, take them somewhere, and let me deep clean this house. That's not realistic as of right now unless he does it on a weekend because unfortunately and fortunately, he is considered an essential worker, so he is still working throughout the day. So even when he's home, he is in his office. So it's really just me and the kids during the day, and I'm homeschooling, managing the toddlers, managing being pregnant, I'm the chef, I'm this teacher, I'm the maid, everything in between. And I'm very blessed and happy that we are home and safe, but Mama really just wants to deep clean my house. Does anyone else feel like that? Like when life is like out of sorts and you feel like you can't control anything? Like for me, my go to is always to clean because that's something that I can control. And the idea of just deep cleaning this house just really seems like it would do wonders for my sanity right now. Let me know in the comments below if you are like me or not.
Oh, this heart of mine was made for you. I keep falling in love. Dreams sure take some time, but they come true. I keep falling in love. The way I'm feeling, darling, it's like jumping off the edge.
If you have been around my channel before, you know that I actually love home decorating, and this room is generally really pretty. But right when I was getting ready to go shopping and film my Clean With Me for Spring video, this COVID-19 stuff hit, and I was instantly a homeschool mom. So my pretty formal dining room has now turned into the homeschool room, which means that all the decorations are just in the way. So today I'm going to finally just put those away for now, put them down in my storage room, and eventually I will be able to decorate this room for spring and summer. But considering all the stores are closed right now, and the reality that we're in, that's just going to have to wait. But if you would like to see some of my decorating inspiration videos, I'm going to go ahead and link one right here in the cards. That way you can see what this room used to look like.
Like free falling, may never catch my breath. All I wanna do is keep falling in love with you. Can't believe my eyes, I finally see. Must be falling in love. Angel in the sky, brought to me. Must be falling in love. The way I'm feeling, darling, it's like jumping off the edge. A little like free falling, may never catch my breath. All I wanna do is keep falling in love with you.
So I couldn't take it anymore. I had to scrub at least one wall. This one in particular is a high traffic wall. It leads from our kitchen to our main living room, and the little boys' handprints were all over this. There's scuff marks all over my baseboards from scooters and bicycles and God knows what else, but I needed to get all the fingerprints and crustiness off of this wall. I love having my house in a light gray color, but the problem with light colors is that you can see every spot. So this wall desperately needed wiped down, and I just had to do it today. I just could not wait. Call it nesting, call it quarantine crazy, but it had to be done.
I've been looking at you underneath this sky. I've never been this high. And you keep smiling at me, and my heart's like, ooh, how'd you like to spin around with me? 'Cause I've got a suspicion that you look perfect next to me.
So this vanity is going to be the death of me. This is the vanity that most of my kids use to brush their teeth, and there is always toothpaste crusted to it. I swear I do not know what kids do with their toothpaste, but this needed a desperate wipe down.
Alright, and you can call me crazy, baby, but I call it destiny. Ooh, you make me wanna throw my hands up, hands up. Ooh, say you wanna make some plans up. Take my hand, love, dance with me. I say, hey, this thing we got, it's a Saturday. Don't go.
So duty calls, it's time for nap, and I am beat at this point. There is still so much in this house that I want to do, and although we are quarantined, like I said, I'm quarantined with 5 kids, so it's hard to get it all done. But I feel good with what I got accomplished today, so that's going to conclude today's video. If you need some more cleaning motivation, I'm going to link some right here. Thank you guys for watching.